Welcome to the AI Trading Command Center, a professional-grade trading system designed to bring structure, discipline, and intelligence into every trade you take. This is not just a dashboard, it's not just a Notion workspace, and it's definitely not another impulsive trader's journal. This is a decision support system built to help you trade like a professional, with rules, risk management, data, and AI all working together. This main page is your command center. From here, you control every part of your trading business. Your daily trade planner, your AI trading assistant, your risk manager, your weekly review, your trade archive, and your performance dashboard are all accessible from one place. Instead of jumping between apps, screenshots, and notes, everything is centralized, giving you clarity, focus, and control as you move through the trading day. The daily trade planner is where real discipline begins. Before you place a single trade, this system forces you to slow down and think like a professional trader instead of a gambler. You record the overall market conditions, your directional bias for the day, your maximum loss, your A-grade setups, and exactly how much you are willing to risk on each trade. This simple step changes everything. Instead of reacting to every candle, headline, or Twitter alert, you are executing a plan you already committed to. Every trade you take must fit inside the rules you wrote earlier. If it doesn't, you don't take it. That one rule eliminates chasing, revenge trading, and emotional decision making. Over time, this creates consistency, and consistency is what turns trading into a repeatable business instead of a series of random bets. The Risk Manager is one of the most important parts of the entire AI Trading Command Center, because this is where most traders either survive or blow up. Instead of guessing how many shares to buy or how much money to risk, this system calculates everything for you. It determines your position size, your dollar risk on each trade, your total portfolio exposure, and how much you are allowed to lose in a single day. This removes emotion from the equation. You never oversize a trade because you feel confident, and you never double down because you feel frustrated. Every position is sized based on rules, not feelings. That means one bad trade can never destroy your account. Professional traders know that controlling risk is more important than picking winners. When risk is managed correctly, profits become a natural byproduct. This page enforces that discipline automatically, allowing you to trade with confidence, consistency, and long-term survival in mind. The AI Trading Assistant is the intelligence layer of the entire command center. This is where your trade ideas get reviewed before real money is put at risk. Instead of asking social media, Discord, or random chat rooms what to buy, you bring your trade ideas here. You enter the ticker, the setup, the float, the volume, the catalyst, your planned entry, your stop, and your target. The AI then evaluates the trade logically and objectively. It looks at risk to reward, liquidity, float dynamics, overextension, momentum structure, and whether the catalyst actually supports the move. It doesn't get excited, it doesn't chase, it simply analyzes the trade for quality and risk. The AI doesn't replace your judgment, it audits it. It catches mistakes, flags weak setups, and forces you to justify every trade. That one step alone can save you thousands by preventing bad trades before they ever happen. The trade journal is where every trade you take is recorded and transformed into data you can actually learn from. Instead of relying on memory or screenshots, this system captures your entry, exit, position size, profit or loss, setup type, and the reason you took the trade. Over time, this builds a complete history of your trading decisions. This is how you discover your real edge. You can see which setups make money, which ones lose, and which mistakes keep repeating. You can filter by strategy, by time of day, or by market conditions, and instantly see what actually works for you. Most traders never do this, which is why they keep repeating the same errors. This journal turns every trade, whether it's a win or a loss, into feedback. And that feedback is what allows you to continuously refine your strategy and become a consistently profitable trader over time. The weekly review is where real improvement happens. At the end of each week, this system pulls together all of your trades and turns them into clear, actionable insights. You review your win rate, your profit factor, your largest winners, your biggest losses, and how closely you followed your rules. This is where patterns become visible. You can see which setups are working, which ones are hurting your performance, and whether emotions are creeping into your decision making. Instead of guessing why you had a good or bad week, you have the data to prove it. Most traders skip this step, which is why they never grow. This review process turns trading into a feedback loop. You identify what to do more of, what to do less of, and what to eliminate completely. Over time, this is what creates steady progress and long-term profitability. The Setup Playbook is where your trading edge lives. This is a curated library of the exact patterns and strategies you are allowed to trade. Instead of chasing every shiny setup you see on social media, you only trade what's proven to work for you. Each setup is documented with entry rules, exit rules, risk guidelines, and example charts. Over time, this becomes your personal trading blueprint. You can see which setups perform best in different market conditions and which ones should be avoided. When the market opens, you're not guessing what to trade. You are simply waiting for one of your approved setups to appear. This removes randomness from your trading. You're no longer reacting to noise. You're executing a playbook, just like a professional athlete runs a set of plays. And that's how you build consistency, confidence, and long-term profitability in the market. The AI Trading Command Center brings everything together into one structured, professional trading system. It helps you plan smarter, manage risk, track performance, and stay disciplined so every decision is based on data, not emotion. This is how trading becomes a business instead of a gamble.